Ready, set, go. Kicking the style, ignorant and wild. I've been the king for a while. You can sip your drink and deny. Thick as big as a Nile. Wow. I burst into the church and pull your chick on the aisle. Parents watching in horror. But I get too deep like a philosophical scholar. And you don't quite get it, but I'm the shit. How'd you know that's the truth? Cause I said it. And that's it, I sit back and pen a classic. I'm so money even when I'm basic. Jump back and kiss myself like JB in HD. The only way you're scoring against me is via a noggy higher than Bobby. Rhyme, I spend me money from Shopify the offie. Got enough for a pucker pie and some body. Sound, you're out of your noggin trying to knock me down. Down. The swag lords of the underground. And if I don't rise to the top, then baby I'll pull you down. With me, baby I'll pull you down. Oh, baby I'll pull you down. Oh, I don't wanna around. No, so I just pull you Incredible down. Mouth organ beatbox solo. Wow. Incredible. Swinging a chainsaw, playing 5-finger fillet. I'm right on cue when I hit you with a delay. No tomorrow, I strictly live for today. You was on the ball until I kicked it away. Watch the juice squeeze out of his melon. You might hear him yelling, peace out if I let him. Shut up. I'm praying for cheap housing in heaven. Bringing 88 into 3007. Futuristic vintage flow. Dipped in low, rip the show like I'm sniffing blow. I've been killing it way before I tip the draw. Master of styles, I ain't switching up shit for dough. We never fake it. Nope. The most elevated, yes. Feeble-minded MCs get decimated. We switch up the beat and then we break it. Down. The swag lords of the underground. And if I don't rise to the top, then baby I'll pull you down.
Kickstart the party. Rhyme ever dark and kick like karate. Right to your heart and fast as Ducati. Keeping it naughty. People who want it, yeah. Vibe where we swap, kickstart the party. Rhyme ever dark and kick like karate. Right to your heart and fast as Ducati. Keeping it naughty. People who want it. Straight up on the top of this. Back to spit another one. Going anywhere me want. Gypsy in a caravan. Free with it, free spirit going to the motherland. Anywhere you come from, Virgin you should understand. Man a champion. Try no ever mac a man. Standing on my tones like John in the octagon. Saying me no afraid of any kind of hater. Powder night a lotion. Virgin me no cater. Killer fascinator. Busy on a rise like we a ride a escalator. Building up the vibes and we a stack a lick of paper. Rolling on the mic, a man a flip just like a skater. Stick a couple trigger, make you shake your money maker. Separate who a real and who a fake. And who no know the deal and who we bring the weight. And who a steal mate. And who will innovate like. Kickstart the party. Rhyme ever dark and kick like karate. Right to your heart and fast as Ducati. Keeping it naughty. People who want it, can't get it. One thing from when we set it. From DJ them select it. Electric we connect it. Who liver than a wire. Who ready for the fire. We step up to the plate. Cause them the trade that we admire. Cause time no wait for no man. Better no man than a liar. That's why we keep it moving. Keep it rolling like a tire. And no man never wait around. We see just who desire. We put a legal work until I think you be no fire. So I and I try a thing. No than to say I shot a thing. Opposite are Indians, creeping up in moccasins. I'ma make a lot of noise, better start the trumpeting. Some I wonder what I want, tell him how they go to king arise. Tell him I know something where them shoulda be surprised. Man a hustle and them shoulda recognize. Whoever tell your facts a flap and chat a bag of lies. Always on the ride.
This the true sound, what you're looking at. Just another lyric down, that's funny chat. Something I get around with, none of that. See, when I get it, it's gone, man, I'm on a yam ting. It's real, keep going, I be understand. We understanding this, you understood us. I'm on a bangers, tape, I'm banging in the club. Another man get left, I'm landing in trust. Then my landing in shit, I run show, cause I be on handling. Bitch, you front row, you're loving the angles we hit. The funk mode, the killing with slang when I spit. Man try, but why when I hiss? Yes, bro, man, like I exist. Settle on the rhythm, it's time that I did it, man. Get on, wanna get it, one hat, you like this, like. Yo, check the subject matter when the penny drops, you get it, the pavement shot. I get running, been running away and stay cool, some try. But it's a waste, them all fools, I stay cunning and winning with no tools coming in. Buzzing the race, I got moves funny when kid be giving it all out, it's the rap. Giddy and filling in all gaps, no joking. This the thing that provokes him. On the other hand, probably looking promotion. Get no play, Jose, not no way. They be booking, but I'll be up on a new wave. There's a no pain, get no gain, so know that mode on. When you hear me killing with the flow done, militant in and with the rhythm of my soul. One with this song, one done, that's this. Yeah, I'm sick and tired of it, missing from the client, dogging everyone by lying, hoping that nobody will notice. Still I hope that they stay joking. Open palms, not holding bars. There's no rules, but I rolling hard. We rocking this one, no stopping this, no stopping this. Yeah, I'm sick and tired of it, missing from the client, dogging everyone by lying, hoping that nobody will notice. Still I hope that they stay joking. Open palms, not holding bars. There's no rules, but I rolling hard. Rocking this one, no stopping this, no stopping this.
Bars and that, you spit bars and that. Nowadays everybody spits bars and that. It doesn't matter which gap or which bar you're at. You find an MC wearing his starter pack. I don't pay no mind, I don't front kid up. When it's bar for bar, I'm an army star. But if your bars are hard, I might run with you. Pass down the art, it's hardly hard. Swinging and twigging the potion, only to find out it's the tip of the ocean. Everybody wants to be part of the motion, so you're gonna be seeing me living my life like it's golden. Super Mario mushroom, clouding over that kung fu that they tried to use untruth. No man under that fondue, bun your tundra with sons who don't do. Give me the mic, give me the beat. Eliminate I, illuminate E. Eliminate lies, illuminate me. Devilish rhymes with heavenly beats. So check me devour the way you rattle it off. Never give up and never retreat. Dead in the dust and spreading a dream. Redolent lust, confederate means infinity bust with Adam and Eve. Showing your power like I'm a man with a god. Gosh, I'm all about. Pluck them asunder from the rot. Fully gonna bun you with wonderful. Gonna put you in a gazunda for fun, you fuck. And it's all about truth, thoughts. And it's all about April. And it's all about voodoo. And it's all about mouse. Give me the petrol, give them a down. She's me now.
Yeah, I'm sick and tired of it, missing from the client, dogging everyone by lying, hoping that nobody will notice. Still I hope that they stay joking. Open palms, not holding bars. There's no rules, but I rolling hard. Rocking this one, no stopping this, no stopping this. Yeah, I'm sick and tired of it, missing from the client, dogging everyone by lying, hoping that nobody will notice. Still I hope that they stay joking. Open palms, not holding bars. There's no rules, but I rolling hard. Rocking this one, no stopping this, no stopping this.
By the system that we put in. Still we smoked out like it's nothing. Piff puffing past the rolling paper. Let me put my cushion. Causing quick the cousin. It was putting air for the reefer bunning. Expands my imagination. I'm an extraterrestrial creator. Creating creations derived from rhyme book illustrations. My scriptures get sicker than Satan. And 14, I'm a resident of the manic money laddie. Usman and Gunnigan, man, I fake funnies like some tired trannies. Switching from being boys than bitching. My farm off, never useless string nigga. Listen, I'm a rowdy kid. I've been from with what I've been given within this system. Illusions got us in the cerebral prison. People like this style like a shun, a torch, and religion but I'm not the one to bow down to people in power position.
Need to sit back on this one. Smoke a doobie, watch cartoons till slowly loose. It's overdue, slide into your heaven. You need to sit back on this one. Smoke a doobie, watch cartoons till slowly loose. It's overdue, slide into your heaven. You won't know life till you try to skate. You won't know high until you have to hide your face. We get too slumped, don't funk boards in a hotspot. Hops get jumping over fences for a good portion. A kick and a coast, yeah, we're slippier than most. Won't be sipping Coca-Cola, just sniffing a Coke. Pissed in a boat, asking mystery mermaids to kiss on my throat, so I can have the voice of Ariel and sing till I choke. My yoke's thicker than yours any day, kiddo. You won't stick to these boards, you're just a day tripper. I'm laced with an 8, but my face is a waste. Clip a bun that shit till I'm laying my grave. Call Josh for a nauseous in food that you eat. No homo with a pause for you fools who ain't deep. Shallow fried in the cheap oil. I'm in the deep soil, degrading your pieces of feces after the recoil. You need to sit back on this one. Smoke a doobie, watch cartoons till slowly loose. It's overdue, slide into your heaven. You need to sit back on this one. Smoke a doobie, watch cartoons till slowly loose. It's overdue, slide into your heaven. Heaven, 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 heaven. It goes on and on and on and on. It goes on and on and on and on. It goes on and on and on and on. It goes on. It goes on. It goes on and on and on and on. It goes on and on and on and on. It goes on and on and on and on. It goes on. It goes on. It goes on and on and on and on. It goes on and on and on and on. It goes on and on and on and on. It goes on. It goes on. It goes on and on and on and on. It goes on and on and on and on. It goes on and on and on and on. It goes on. It goes on. It goes on and city sticker, looking straight sick in that straight 6 with the 6-0 plates and the GP sticker. Shifting the stick like I just did a sticker. I just made the picker, smell it through the bag like I didn't do the zipper. Feds on my back, so I better not slip up. Tiptronic grip and I won't trip up. Trying to be a 6-figure nigga with a bankroll that's thicker than a snicker. That's why you gotta stand and deliver. Now in fact you stand, I'll deliver. Life is a bitch, you don't get what you give her. And as a result, I fucked up my liver. Used to spend nights in cans by the river. Now we in cans on the French Riviera. Me and us now just enjoying the weather, reaping rewards of our latest endeavor. Shit, look in the mirror, bait undercovers in the black. Shit, thank God I'm in the bimmer. Can't get nicked, I'm at the Oxo for dinner. Table for 2 with a view, I can't miss. If I do, she goes nuts and I just can't deal with her. So I do the dip real quick, parked up right beside the next switch, jumped inside it and I'm gone. City sticker, looking straight sick in that V6 with the 6-0 plates and the charcoal leather. Looking like Jaws with the shark antenna. Heavy on the gas like Senna. Trip to the corner shop cost me a tenner. I got bear cats playing up my bella, cause I cook it up better than Nigella. Cookbook guaranteed bestseller. Serve you that raw, straight salmonella. I'm addicted to the cheddar, and to that brie, and to that feta. Bit of a trendsetter, trips overseas, straight jet setter. Yeah, I'm up early, like a bedwetter, chasing a settlement from a big debtor. I got a gold eagle on my sweater, apes on my feet, yeah, I'm doing better. I got this down to the letter, that's why they wanna drop man with the Beretta. Some sort of vendetta, they wanna slice me up like a bit of pancetta. Jews say I'm a go-getter, and I'm trying to get it in like Dave Getter. You can just see that from my get-up. Gotta do the beat, I know it's a setup. City slicker.
Fuck off.
Been through hell, left stronger like a southpaw, yeah. Man, I fiending for some real rap, there's been a drought, oh yeah. I was destined, I'm just flexing, my progression's got me surprised. I got it down to a T and nailed it, Jesus Christ. I'm on stuff and it's not drugs, man, I bossed up. If it's not love, keep your gob shut, let her watch us. Man, I'm not fussed, I'm the dog's nuts. You're not a power lunar, I'm barging through like Rick Ross at a barbecue. My words come to life off the page like Babadook, yeah, I'm the truth. One of these fake brothers rap, they never last, they meant to that. No chances left, I'm at the next, snapping on rappers like chains getting snapped. Me to drink like a designated driver, they don't give me any credit. Maybe I just chose the wrong thing to dedicate my life to bullshit. I'm the greatest, I ain't got no little bit of doubt. Bitch, I've been around, listen to me now, I dick 'em down till I'm in the ground. Willy in your mouth, wiggle it around, stick it in and out. And I'm not fussy with it, still not too good to fuck ugly chicks. Kendrick said his dick ain't free, well mine fucking is. From the squalor, from the dirt, at the bottom nothing on this earth's free. If you want it then you gotta work for it. I'm from the squalor, from the dirt, from the squalor, from the dirt, at the bottom nothing on this earth's free. If you want it then you gotta work for it. I'm from the squalor, from the dirt. Lunacy is an arrogant prick, but I doubt you can prove to me I'm not the illest around. You ain't heard nothing better than this in a while. I've already told the man of a million styles. Luna, that flow so cold, yeah, tell me something I don't know, bro. When man touch the mic, the bars don't match up to mine, cut them off like no. Yo, can't act like a boss and then talk like you're still out in the end shot. In a lot of bipolar MCs are not very sure if they're untrapping or being entrepreneurs. They don't want me to war with, but back for the law willing I don't do something I regret. Sit back and bite my tongue like a pleb. So what if you're offended by something I said? Don't sugarcoat it. They know the flow's too much to cope with. Just tell the truth, who could have wrote this? Other than me killing beats since 2006. Let them hate, I'm not feeling them either. On the grind every day, I don't fuck with them idiots. I don't ever sell features. They win a price, you could pay me to jump on a weak track. From the squalor, from the dirt, at the bottom nothing on this earth's free. If you want it then you gotta work for it. I'm from the squalor, from the dirt, from the squalor, from the dirt, at the bottom nothing on this earth's free. If you want it then you gotta work for it. I'm from the squalor, from the dirt.
These days I trace the streets from A to B in faded jeans that I've aged for weeks. 18 with the ways and means that aided me from day, but now I play with the ace on my sleeve. So take a seat and re-raise the stakes, cause we play for keeps in this game for cheats, thieves and cheapskates. With this fame to seek, say cheese while your face is beamed. For every T brain wasted space to see. Don't let the name deceive, cause 8 means I aim to please with ease. So let me say my piece and leave. It's safe this blatantly taking these lazy punks, displays and skunks at once and making them straighten up. And if there ain't enough, then stay in touch, we're going on that way. It's contact play, we're playing rough, it's the crazy fuck the ladies love. So let the tables run, take both spuds and raise them up.
I stand nauseous with Mr. Abe, spit and wage war from the corners of British made shores in a fit of rage. Walk with a bitter taste swarming, spit a straight four on a Jimmy made score. Watch chores falling, forewarning a grim and grey dawn for the cityscape still awake yawning. Forced to begin the day, still a days crawling, scrawling a lyric on my litter stained floor for my sicker braids, ripping A4 till I walk with a Zimmer frame. Take the scrawniest scorch them to fricassee portions. Pause on your dinner plate, black and scorch shapes like finger paint drawings within a page. With your pickled brain stored in my living space, make your crotch awkward, I storm in and misbehave. Any given stage life, that's the way I think, or at least the liquor talking, walking in a state of bliss.
5, 4,